Marina has an 8 a.m. class every Thursday for the semester. The class she is taking is a required course for her diploma, and while she is committed to her studies, she finds it hard to make it to the class that early. A group of students who also attend the class sit in the back and can be disruptive at times. The teacher for the class helps redirect this group of students when they are distracted from the content by providing students opportunities to engage in different learning activities and working in stretch breaks periodically during class. Marina finds their behavior disrespectful of the teacher, her other classmates, and herself, and is extremely frustrated with their behavior. She takes a picture of the disruptive students in class and posts it to her social media with the message, "Thursday 8 a.m. class at Humber is hard enough without these losers. Wish they would have stayed in bed. Ugh." Marina nudges her best friend in the class and shows him the post. They both share a laugh. Marina continues to work through the group exercise her teacher has provided. She notices at break that about 30 of her friends have tagged her picture, and another 10 have reposted it on their social media.